Messi.
Papa.
See this. So this one is 2. And this one is 1. Do you understand me? You have to check all of them. If like it's okay, you don't have any problem. And that reminds me, let me say this. Try much as possible to take your education very serious. Do you understand me? I don't want you to joke with any education because education is very good. Sometimes, or say, it's a lot of things. So I don't want you to play with your education. Do you understand me? Okay. And we need a Monday, that's Monday. Now we need Tuesday. Exactly. And we know so a year Thursday. You see it over there? Okay, that is it. And what is happening besides your school? Everything is working good. Or you have something to say?
Yeah, everything is fine.
About what? I think there's something is there you want to say. What is that? Sit down.
So like, I don't know what's happening, but moreover,
Okay.
it's like, never found stuff. And that's something the page you so actually
Exactly. But what I want to say is that education is very good. And that reminds me, I am a checking Nipana. I am know how. If I come inside the school, now watch them in Nipana. Sometimes, I am and Yama way, it may happy work individuals home in Yama. See, Nipana, Granny go school. Why you don't allow the person to go to school and the disturbance and those kind of things? It's not working good. And so, whatever school, now watch them in Nipana. What's it? Oh, okay. Okay. Now, who was our one? Education is
Ado.
That. Who is that?
Ado.
Yeah, who is that?
Ado.
Yeah,
Hey, Kida.
Hey, Messi. How are you?
You're welcome.
Good afternoon.
afternoon. Oh, okay. How are you? Oh, I hope that you are looking so great. Oh, okay. By the way, what brought you here?
Oh, okay. It's not anything bad. We're all in one school.
So.
And I'm the coach.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so they give us some assignments.
Oh, okay.
We are here to discuss with you.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's very good.
Because tomorrow you have.
Oh, okay. That's very good. But what I will say is to you is this. Try as much as possible to take your education is very good, okay? Because education is very good. You people know it.
Yes.
Don't joke with your learning and those kind of stuff, okay?
Yes.
And try to do it well, okay?
Thank you very much.
Oh, okay. So take this. Take them and go and buy the list. So I'll miss her there. Please, I'm not leaving you.
Oh.
I will see you later.
All right.
Okay. All right.
Black. What's in the chair? Fast. You can hear. Where are you going? Are you this girl? Hey, Mercy!
I'm coming.
Oh, you are too slow. Always, I'm coming.
Yeah, what's up, guy?
How are you doing?
I'm fine, man.
Tell her.
So no, they are getting bad. Wait, what's the problem?
Okay, guys.
Guy,
What are you doing?
me, I'm talking.
Oh, for what reason? Are you normal?
See, I'm making a joke. What's like no of an inside you? It's the last time our friend. Your friend and of our inside, one of us say, guys, from the salon go.
No, you know
It's them interested in you.
everyone come. Obey my provide the beer man. But for me, you need a guy.
Oh gosh.
See how the man enough why? If you don't say big time,
Let me tell you something. You know something. You know something. Your uncle can buy, do anything for you, but there is something special. Your uncle can do it for you.
special
What
like
do you think
what?
about that? Can you see me? Can you see me? No, look at me. Can you see? You see the way my body has turned? I mean, I'm looking fresh. It's not anything. It's not my uncle. It's not my mother. It's not my brother. It's my boyfriend. So stop talking about your uncle every day. My uncle, my uncle.
I
don't know what
think you
is
guys
going on.
here for us to learn Krampo.
No, you here every day, you talking to
You mean what you are saying is like useless or what?
Exactly.
Ha! You are not serious.
Let me talk to her. Merci.
Me, I'm not interested in that guy.
If you even that your phone that you are using is not enough. It's not a nice phone. As a lady like you, look at the phone that you are using.
It's not enough, Cecil.
Ah! Look at the phone that this nice guy is using. That guy can
Common
buy
iPhone.
more than that for you.
6 class.
Me now, I want to focus on my education.
Every day when you are talking about education. You know education is serious, but
As you said, you're a good one. Hey!
Charlie, this girl, I think she's not serious.
And I think I know what the USA. It's called.
Mercy.
Merci.
So the science, reproductive system, and that. And now,
Okay.
You finish or you still on it?
we are on it.
Okay, hurry up and come and do something inside.
Okay.
You will finish right now.
And okay, it's okay.
Let me tell you girls something. So, people that want to see Anna, a big case,
You cry. What is that?
Talking now.
yes.
But you will be able to show science. So, we will be school. You
Go
will
for
be
the
able to show
children.
Guy now, no fair. No me. It's not a check guy. One woman was a young vessel. Oh, Mikala. The guy I'm in it. Don't put Papa money.
Aye. So, don't come out, come off with Yammy. Or top part to mammy. Or some woman to come on top part of mammy.
They can. No. What is my coming soon? We're gonna our young vessel and about you.
Won't see a few beings here.
Share.
A couple minutes, Jim Park, can't decide which.
But it's now. You can't know the only side in the children may say. And remember all because it's hard to pack on you. And offer or for which no better man with scars can be Yamanasa. By guy, no. No more whiskey move, the which Missy Diagram. Can't run our part, which walk a panama. On it now.
I come and peck more fat or feeding me the beer.
Oh, Bonzo.
Then I don't know who's going or Shannon.
Also, the Unity. I was empty nefe. The guy know. Who score the mommy? A week on score the mommy. Oh, if I start a week on my cousin. No, always score a week on my cousin. Eh? Megan week is score the mommy.
3 million.
Why, 3 minutes? God was saying, would it? Would wait you, my one in the holiday customer was in your offer. 3 million. Share. You pay more bit my more 100 million a week. 100 million all bit my to G wagon, Papa Party, I'm all 3 million.
Me coffee more for banana in fever.
Jammer that you may send us so much on which. With the Mr. Ghana and your mouth. I'll be Muna. We have a show. No fair. A body. Share. Now only dress a crowd by and no watch a probable woman. So, what go to me now? Want to me, what do you make out of me?
On my mamma.
You can't reach and go by over to do a chapel sign. How can you see
She machine now? Be your top part, mamma.
you say, oh, I did go, Mamma. So when you're not had in a one of who's wife, who go on now, what on, why free? Now, out me, yes, I didn't know. Me, I come on chubby, what is a maker? Make a wolf, I want to me, yes, I didn't know. But I am not the mouth. Oh, if I sky here, or the mouth, she is a wife. And the calampo.
You don't try to.
You trying to say?
Oh, what? You are now. Me, better not coffee you. Ah.
Someone know to tell you what we soon. You know, make us some papa natural, not to be saying, as some papa make natural. You see, I didn't want member one. When I said, and I wouldn't come away flexible. When I said, just I say, young come we are so proud of more. Mercy, I only know. Our guy and me made a natural, and we won't know you in the show. One way a bog. You'll buy a mocha over for 2 years. I don't know for your poker. She knows scattered blue. Over 5 walk with you. She knows Messi, when you don't want to make so dear. Messi, oh, January is out to who me see.
Mammy Castle, Mitch Low. I don't know what I said then. I didn't walk at a man request since I've been. Men can't show.
Miss Macaron may say, you offer, or better no Sika, or better be our bet. I did what I want to me near mouth.
I did bang.
Wow, good, yeah, and a Macaron, so which just I got a meeting one dance at shown. Those I didn't make up. Ubi Saga, no one walk over true. You may be a walk with you. Now, what was I to do when I was in Lowell? Saga and I make up. I know the who's to see her. Who can I make an who wants some of Becca? Obey what say now, because and what fair. How would they move there?
Made a very cemetery. I'm of a bay, Shabana.
I saw what it's on 1 hour for the account over. Miss Money now. I only know when I'm showing you. Miss Money now, what's it? Eh? There was someone. Better speak a cannon day than I'm cheap. Hey, Mercy.
Huh?
I know we own.
Some meat here.
I know where you meet me.
Charlie, what's up?
Come.
No come. The rest of the come, make no come. Except I don't go the morning. I don't pass through the morning and buy some drinks before I say. No, are you going to come? Pass by. Golden. Maybe I'll call you later, okay? Hello, guys.
Hi.
The power's off.
Hello. Where?
Hello. Swap the rundown.
Oh, Charlie. How are you?
Hello.
Very cool.
Oh, okay.
So, some crowd man offer.
Very okay.
Now, where that?
Oh, me better see it.
Eh.
Hello, Messi. How are you? It looks like you're cool. You have a beautiful name. So beautiful too.
Thank you.
You see, I'll be Cizo GH at the own campus. All the guys.
Cizo.
All the guys for this campus and then my boys.
Cizo the AD. Ah. I'm going to.
Oh, come on, wait for it. You see, I'll be the king. If you understand me, I make you the queen. All the guys will be your bodyguard. Okay? So just come to me, okay? Oh, come on. What are you doing?
Adepa.
Mercy.
Oh, come on. Come here.
What do you mean? Only no one here customer
Okay, ladies. Adepa. I don't go to the mall to buy something,
okay.
so you pay this one. Okay. If anything, Halan, because what she do, I know the power. I don't understand what she's doing. If anything, call me, okay? Yeah.
Oh, you're okay there.
Oh, I'm okay. I'm cool.
Okay, you may share.
Adepa. Call me, okay?
Oh, don't worry, I'll call you.
Yeah.
Look, I'm for me blue. Me go feel. What I am,
Did you know the customer that you
Mr. Benchip on the beat.